Benjamin, what's up, man? How you doing?
Yo, how's it going?
Doing good. What's going on today, bro? What's going on?
It's a nice, toasty, warm day out here, and I think it's time for a new build.
Is it?
Yeah, I need some sunglasses, though. This sun is
What
killing
kind
me.
of build is it? And who's
Well, I'm going to give you guys a little clue. We're going to go in there, we're going to see an engine, and that'll give you guys the first clue of what kind of car it is.
Whose build was this before?
It's the Goonzquad's old car.
No.
Yes, sir.
You guys, that's the boys. That's the boys.
Yeah, so we're about to actually head over there, but I'm going to show you guys a little sneak peek of one of the key components to this build is this engine right here. It's a little Honda 2.2 liter.
Wait, what happened? What happened to this S2K? Why did they just stop working on it?
Well, I think they bought this one actually for parts. They took the engine out of it, and this is the old engine out of their other car, which we are going to do a full rebuild on it. It's kind of cool. It's going to be my first experience doing some engine work.
Wait, S2000, it's a Japanese car?
Yeah.
Oh, this is gonna be sick, dude. Imagine just.
We haven't had a single Japanese car on the channel in like forever. I don't think we've ever did a Honda.
And it's not even hit hard either.
Nope,
right?
it just needs like a couple parts. We're actually about to go check it out. But here's the engine for it. We kind of just brought this already because it was just at the other shop. And I think the first thing we're gonna do is head over to the other shop. We're gonna pick up the rollback, and then we're gonna head over to the Goonzquad's headquarters, pick up that S2000. Yeah, we can check out some of their builds. I really want to check out that Audi R8 that they have over there. That thing is mad clean, dude. Twin turbos. I just want to hear that thing run. So right now we're gonna head over to the other shop, pick up the rollback, and then go pick up the new build from the Goonzquads. Dude, hopefully they send me them.
Bitch, you got yourself a little fresh haircut and everything. You looking clean, bro.
Of course. Are you filming?
Yeah.
No, don't put me on the news like that.
Yo, look at the haircut. Yeah, you got that Minecraft haircut. That solid, just that one solid layer. You know what I mean?
That's what you want. I don't want the fade. Like you just look horrendous, you know?
Right.
With that fade.
I bet you miss Wingstown, though.
Dude, Wingstown used to slap. All right, guys, so we made it back to the original shop. Let's go ahead and see what's going on over here. Da 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 da. What's up?
What's up?
Oh, he's putting a bumper together.
What's up, man?
Hey, how are you doing? Hello? Şunu da koy.
Look what the cat dragged in.
Wait, what's up?
We're here to get the rollback.
Why don't you guys dolly that thing? You got a TDL?
Hey, what's going on with this new build you got here? It's a little weak.
Still banged up. Pretty cracked.
Dang. So guys, we got the rollback finally out. We have to move a couple of things, but it's good to go. Now let's head over to the Goonzquad HQ. Just made it to the Goonzquad. What the heck? Yo, what's with the exhaust pipes? Yo, what's up?
Yeah, we broke the world record. It was 12 foot. We did 16 foot.
Dang, that's hilarious.
What the heck? It was hilarious, man. You should have seen this.
What does it sound like?
It sounds
Wait, did it shoot flames all the way out there or no?
funny, dude. We were driving around.
All right, so we're gonna go ahead and go in the back. Man, they got a lot of stuff here. Dang, this Jeep is sick. Привет.
Привет. Those are a single mirror.
Doing?
Yeah, I like those. I don't think they have before we got wheels. But the
Dang,
brakes
so
did.
this is the S2K.
We can push it back.
Needs a quarter
What
panel.
are you gonna? Y'all still have a quarter panel for this thing?
Well, we got a new one.
So, bro.
Hello.
This. That was a world record breaker for us. Yeah,
Victor, we have this fender.
Dang, it's not too bad. Just needs a quarter panel and the top.
I have this piece if you want to weld it back up and pop it out.
Nah, we just ordered a new one. Tie rod.
I have that.
I watched
Just missing the engine. That's what that engine was at the shop, but it looks good in here. Dang, it's not a bad car. It doesn't look too bad. I mean, it's good. headlight looks like it's a little
I
damaged.
got 2 brand new tail lights too if you want to buy them.
LEDs?
Yeah.
No way. Those same ones they all use on the video?
Yeah. I bought a pair and then I bought another pair for this car. So I think it's super light.
Dang, it's all original.
All the interior is in a box.
Yeah.
Or you can just
Yeah, I think
Back
yeah.
it in, yeah. I'll back it in.
top off. 'Cause my head hits the soft top.
Y'all take the clock spring and steering wheel off of this?
No, it should be all good. But I like put everything back. You see a clock.
Oh yeah. Oh, see the air. Dang, it's clean. Heck yeah.
Some racing seats because you're
Yeah.
pretty tall.
Yeah.
I'll
What do you
put
think
some
of
in
this?
mine, still hit the green.
It's perfect.
Okay.
I've been dreaming about too much.
Yeah, it's not too bad. I mean, it's just been sitting for a little bit, so it's a little dirty, but
It's all good. Take it to the shop, clean it up.
oh yeah, it doesn't really need too much
Some
parts.
is missing.
Well, they took the top apart. It's a little cut right there, but that's all good. It's a little dirty, but you know what? We'll just give it a nice clean. See exactly what's going on with it. We're gonna go and back the roll back up and load this thing up, and we'll hit the road. Hi. Yes. I want to make sure it's not just go. What, turn? The steering wheel doesn't steer, so we're gonna have to like.
O, dwie. Ty będziesz rolniczyło. Same strata.
Yes, sir.
Co, ciągniesz to wejście?
Nah,
Probably gotten them deep in.
not 200.
It's a V8 twin turbo.
Okay. Yes, sir. It's a pretty cool car, though. These thousands are so fun to drive.
Damage all over, but
Oh yeah. Ah.
O, quem para com isso?
Dang, that's a sick turbo kit.
We tried. We're gonna have to redo the hood a little bit. It's so hard to wrap this stuff. Dude,
Oh, it's just the mat.
it was so much nicer. We tried wrapping the hood.
What is it, Matt PPF?
Yeah.
Bro.
That's sick.
Is Simon up in there?
No, he's
Wait, what's wrong with the hood?
on that side around the wheels.
You can't fix that?
Huh?
Can't fix that?
Yeah. Once you overstretch it, it's done.
Wait, y'all painted the hood, didn't you? Ooh. Dang. Dang, that's what's up.
Get back on that here soon.
Heck yeah.
I can't wait. Once you get yours done, dude, it'll be perfect to go cruising.
Oh yeah.
Instead
Wait,
of
is this-
the exotics, we can do the
Classics. Shania. Shut up, you.
like that custom subframe. I mean, transmission thing I had to make.
Oh, you made this?
No, I made this.
No, dang.
Well, I bought it, but it wasn't for the transmission. I had to re-weld a bunch of stuff, cut a bunch of stuff.
Dang, that's pretty sick. Man, this car is clean. Wait, what's going on with the engine? Y'all haven't just
We just
wired it
got
up yet?
everything in. We got the whole entire standalone wiring harness, ECU.
Did you get it from Holly?
No, we got it from PSI.
PSI? Oh.
Yeah. They got, I mean, as soon as we button their thing up, we can start the car.
Heck yeah.
What does destiny mean?
Man, this thing is sick.
Yeah, that's pretty nice, man.
Yeah, it's a lot different than a Mustang though. You see on these cars, they have actual frames that unbolt from the car, and then Mustang is a unibody.
All in one, huh?
Yeah, the frame is just like the front part right here.
Did y'all buy all this right here, or did this?
No, we bought that suspension. Yeah, it's all new suspension.
Dang.
Stuff for the tie rods.
That's beefy. Wellwood, did they sponsor you guys?
Yes, sir.
Heck
Well,
yeah.
they
That's
came in
crazy.
clutch.
0-1.
6 pistons all the way around.
Dang.
This thing's wicked, dude. I've never been so scared in my life.
Oh, I bet. You start it for us?
I can start it. Might have to open that garage door up.
Bet.
It's hot in here anyway. You just pull it up.
Oh, it's not locked.
Oh, that's throw it up. You gotta do it high.
Ah!
Just right. Dude, just right.
There you go. Dang, that thing.
Not even. I about pooped myself. It's that crazy, dude.
That's awesome.
I can't even imagine a 93. I mean, E85 on this thing. A full 1200.
Y'all have a gas station with the 85 right there,
Yeah.
don't y'all?
Yeah, we're gonna
Bro, you gotta run it.
fill it up one day. Yeah, it's in there, I think.
Wait, can we start it? See what this thing sounds like.
That thing up.
Breaker guy out here. Yeah, it's a little record.
Dude, that thing is hilarious. Dang, so you gotta be careful
the
going on
world
the
record
bridges.
was 12 foot. So
Oh,
doubled
dang.
it. Gotta do some straps to the inside of the car.
Hey, it looks pretty solid.
It's pretty efficient.
It doesn't like.
I mean, it moves around when you're driving. It moves around, but it's funny when you're driving. It's moving around. I raced like a brand new Audi. He didn't see my exhaust tip, and I stopped him. He see the exhaust tip.
Oh, that's
He was
hilarious.
like, "What the heck?"
Or would you just clamp it? Oh, see.
Yeah, just clamped it.
Oh, cause your clips just come right off.
Yeah. All right, bros. Y'all out?
Yes, sir. I'm gonna come get the Tesla later. I need some engines.
No, swap a Tesla engine in that car.
Wait.
Off she goes.
Guys, we just made it back to the shop, and man, this thing is actually a pretty good deal. Whatever we got it for, we'll tell you guys in the next video, but we got here, now we just need to unload it. For some reason, the steering doesn't really steer on the car, so I'm not sure where we're gonna put the car yet, but man, it's a fun project. Honestly, like, I've never fixed one of these before, but I know I have drove my brother's S2000, and man, it's the funnest car ever to drive. So let's go ahead and get this thing unloaded, and then we'll see what's going on with it. Back her up.
Ben, you can work for the airport people.
Hey, which way are you going? Oh, it broke. Oh, okay. And the steering rack is busted.
All right, I'm going to the left a little bit.
Oh, a little bit. The steering rack's busted.
All right, lower, go down,
Yeah.
go down.
So guys, we got the car inside the shop, and honestly, this thing is in pretty good condition. It is a little dirty right now because they had Thomas the Hellcat running around all over the hood and stuff. But the car it's actually a good deal, especially for what we got this thing for. And it's our first Japanese car. I think we did work on a S2000 like 3 years ago, but that was just a long time ago. And basically all the damage on this car is it's gonna need a new front bumper, fender, door, and quarter panel, and a rear bumper, which isn't too bad. And I love that the rear quarter panel, it's kind of just lightly sideswiped. As you can see, the insurance company did cut a square into here to see exactly what the damage was. And honestly, the inner wheel well looks pretty good in there. Then the taillight pocket back here is a little bit damaged, but I think once we get this thing on the frame, or if we even have to put it on the frame, we can just pull all this out and see exactly what's going on. We already have a quarter panel on order, so now all we have to do is get a couple more parts, and go ahead and start fixing this thing. And I like that we have a lot of projects going on right now, so we can make a lot more content for you guys.
What's some plans you got for this thing once it's fully restored?
First thing we're gonna do, cut the firewall out.
No, we're not doing that. Okay.
Full custom roll cage, firewall, coyote swap,
No, let's be
twin
realistic.
turbo, roll cage,
realistic.
wide body flare is this big. A keyboard commenter.
Am I?
Keyboard warrior.
No, but what are some realistic things that you're gonna do? To this
Realistic goals for this car is basically rebuild it 100% factory. Like we want to do a full restoration on this thing.
thing? Nice. No,
Maybe we might
New
even
rims,
we're keeping the stock rims. These are the 07 style rims, and they're actually really expensive if you get some OEM ones, which is cool that this car has it. And we'll probably have to just get them refinished because they're a little curb rash, I think 1 or 2 of them. And then a new top also. Maybe even a hard top, but we'll see. But dude, these cars are just so fun to drive. If you have ever drove an S2000, you know what I'm talking about. Inside here, it's literally like a race car. You're just sitting so small in here, and it's just like, it's so fun. Even though the car doesn't have that much power, it's just a really fun car to drive. But guys, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. We're gonna have to get into this car a little bit later. We did chill at the Goonzquads a little bit, checked out all their builds. They got some cool builds like that. Audi R8 is just freaking sick. The twin turbos on that thing is awesome. But we're gonna dig deeper into this car later in the future. We're gonna give it all a full wash. This thing actually needs a wash because it has been sitting. Thomas the Hellcat been jumping all over this thing. So guys, make sure you stay tuned for this build and all the other builds we have. We're gonna be cranking these videos out left and right. And if you enjoyed today's video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also drop a like on Instagram at vTuned. Thanks for watching. Hey, don't tell nobody, but I'm the one that popped this tire.
Keeping a secret between me and you, bud, okay?
I was testing out Joe's crossbow. We put a door right there and it goes right through it and just busts that tire. Yeah. Dude, I think we cut this Chevy in half too.
I mean, I need a little bit of car on
All my strings.
Yo, I don't know, man, we need to put that somewhere. Maybe move this Jeep, put it right there in front of that,
Well, can you help me do it real quick? Wait, what is this? You got parts? We're gonna take that bumper right there because it was painted with a good gun.
You wish, bud, you wish. Wait, which one is Harbor Freight?
This one? No, this one just has rapscallion marks. Hey,
Look, I already,
bam.
already got that for you.
Yeah.
Feels super nice.
How's the undercarriage?
I'll look under there. I mean, this car was super clean. I mean, honestly, it just needed a quarter panel. I took the motor.
Sadly.